All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, Salsa, how you doing? Doing very well. Doing very, very well. So that's Salsa, and this is Taco Stacks. Currently packing up a bunch of Taco Stack t-shirt orders and 1 or 2 hat orders. So if you guys are interested in pick up Taco Stack merchandise, first link in the description below. All the proceeds from the sales go to benefit the channel, make these videos possible for you guys. So thank you to everyone who's been very supportive. Today is storage auction locker day, storage locker auction. And I know Paper Moose is stopping by, and we're going to go together. We're going to carpool to this auction. I think it's her first time going to a storage locker auction as well, so it should be a lot of fun for her. I know a lot of people did say if I'm ever going to get help for cleaning out these storage lockers, and fortunately, I think she's going to be able to help me today if I buy one, so I should be able to buy one. They are a lot of fun, so today's video is going to be the auction portion, and we're going to see what happens and hopefully pick up a locker or two, so let's do it. Let's get into it. Where are we going to park? Oh, buddy, this place is slammed. Oh, probably park there. That's what I'll do. Park in there. All right, we are here. Was it heads? Oh.
It doesn't matter. Money is money.
Did you get any, was it last week over at Fountain Hill?
1 or 2.
Yeah.
They were cheap.
Yeah.
Since I hit that one, they go.
Second box, guys, second box. Better? Guys, big locker, a lot of merch. Here you go. What do you say? How about a $20 bid to start me out? Who's working today? $20 bid? Nobody interested. $10 bid. $10 bid?
Yeah.
10, I'm bidding at 15 now. I'm bidding at 10, bid at 15 saying. 10 bid at 15 where? I'm bidding at 10 bid at 15 a real winner at 10 bid at 15 last call. Bought it for $10. Why not? Why not?
All right, outside we go. Looks like that's what the first one is.
I was ready when they spent my card. Anyway, stuff a lot of stuff.
Like that too.
Anybody interested in a $5 bill? Nobody interested in a $5 bid?
Yeah.
5 and bidding at 10 now. I'm bidding 5 at 10 where? 5 at...
How does it? That's right.
What's all that stuff?
Hey, it's your bag.
Yeah. The Salvation Army's down the road. Oh, buddy.
Yeah, the basic love.
He's not doing so well right now. It's kind of a nice couch, to be honest. You can light it pretty quick.
Yeah.
That's where you were going with that.
Yeah. If you're into the 70s stuff, there you go.
Not bad, not bad. Get the heck out, there it is. Warm up gear. There's money in there. Yeah, man, look at all that. brand new polo tags. 30 bid 440. 430 bid 440. New with tags polo 430 bid 440. Last call.
Yeah.
440, 450, 460. Sold for 450 right here. Nice buy. Nice buy.
All right, so here with Paper and Moose. It's her first time ever being at Storage Locker. I told her, oh, I bought this one. So I paid a whopping total of $5. We're going to head out to the next auction. I just want to show you guys, this is the locker we bought. It's not full. So the thing is, like, this locker is very, very big. It's a 10 by 30, but it's pretty empty. But I'll save that for tomorrow's video. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. And we're going to head out to the next auction or the next facility. There's 15 lockers there. There were 9 here. And realistically, a lot of the prices went really, really affordable. If you guys might remember, I bought that one not too long ago, the one at the corner. That was probably like 5 or 6 months ago. It had the upright couch, and this one has a couch in it as well, so it seems to be a thing around here where people just like throwing away their couches. I bid $460 or $450 on that locker with all the shoes in it. My buddy Mark bought it. I told him I'd buy a Mets jacket off him, but we'll see what happens with that. And all right, I'll catch up with you guys at the next facility. All right, here we are, second facility. I'm hoping there's none up there. There's a couple of those. You see there's like 5 or 6 of them, but hopefully none are up there. We'll see if we grab 1 or 2 here.
Oh yeah.
You know who buys that? Your aunt buys those.
Don't look at me.
I don't want that. You know how many coolers I find in the trash?
Well, that's kind of like what you just did.
What's in this bag? Oh, that's nice. It's a bathroom mat.
You guys are crazy.
Dude, I get $2 for it.
It's in there on the way out.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
I don't see it. Alrighty, how about a $5 bid? $5 bid is all, guys. $5 bid. We're going to start right at the bottom. $5 bid. Nobody interested? $5 bid. No interest. No advance.
Pass.
Nobody interested at $5? Pass. All right, how about a $5 bid? We're going to start at the bottom. $5 bid is all, guys. $5 bid. $5 bid. $5 bid. Where they put 'em. Oh, they got it all covered up with blankets.
Probably a Honda Civic.
I know. That looks like there's TV here.
50 is my bid 60, I'm bid 50, bid 60. 50 bid 60, are we done? At 50 bid 60? 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 110, 120, 130, 140. 130 is my bid last call. Sold for 130.
Apparently it was a green office.
32.55.
What in the world is this? This is
Dude, this is awesome.
This is sketchy.
I want one of these. I've never bought one.
It's like they just threw up a shed.
What?
Nothing wrong with them.
Are they your blades or are they blades?
No, they're not U-Hauls.
It's weird.
Maybe some of the
Well, it's odd, but they're nice. It's odd, but they're nice. There could be something else in there, guys. Who knows? Never know.
That's a little odd.
How about a $10 bid? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 40 is my bid, bid 50, I'm bid 40, bid 50 now, 40, bid 50, where? 50, 60, 70, 70, I'm bid 70, 80.
All right, well, guess what? We bought another locker. So Paper Moose is going to help me out with one of these lockers that I cleaned out. It's a whole complicated situation. But came to the last facility. This is like 4 hours since the first one started. They're in like intervals of 2 hours. So my intentions here are if I buy one here, I'm going to clean out today. If I clean out today, yeah, it's all confusing. I'll figure it out. Oh, I need locks. But I need 2. I don't know if I'll ever buy 2 lockers here. This is a hike. It's not as bad as Scranton, so this is like doable. So if I buy 2 here, I can still do it. But I gotta go to Allentown, I gotta go to Easton because I got those lockers. It's just, might be putting my butt to work the next 48 hours.
Bill, 10, I'm bidding at 15 now, 15 at 20. We go 25, 25 and a 30, 30 say now 35 and a 40, 40 we go. Now 45, bid $50, 50 say 60. Now $70. I bid 60 here, bid 70, 80, 80, 90, 90 and 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, now 2. Now 210, 200 is my bid 210. 200 bid 210, last call. You bought it right here at a $200 bill. Let's get started. Having a $100 bid. Get me started here at a $100 bid. Everything in the box. Who's working today? $50 bid. Let's go. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 110, 120, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240.
Oh,
230 is my bid 240, 240, 250. 240 is my bid 250, 260. 250 is my bid 260. It's no money. Look at the merchant here. I bid 250, bid 260, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 410, 420. 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490. 480 is my bid 490. My bid 480, bid 490.
Oh, I see.
There it is.
He got the Romex. Right. Well, you just rotate it. Yeah, right. You got a weed dragon there. Nice. Stomp cord, back cord.
Yeah, right.
All right, I'm bid a $10 bid. Do I hear 15 now? 20? We go 20. I'm bid a 15 here. Bid 20 now. 20 is now 25 and 30. 30 we go. I'm bid 25 here. Bid a 30 now. 25 bid a 30 where 30 is in 35. 35 and a 40 and 45. And a 50 we go 60.
All right, so I didn't buy any lockers there. Paper Moose didn't buy any lockers there. We're on to clean out one of the storage lockers. Hey, you too, man. All right. So over here eating grapes. I don't want any grapes.
You're sour like grapes?
I'm sour like grapes. That was kind of a waste of an hour. 2 hours. All right, well, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. We'll be doing the storage locker clean out and do 1 of 2 videos. I think I might do back-to-back rather than spacing them out. But if you guys want to see what's in those lockers, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And we'll catch you guys next time. As always, have a great day. Keep living the dream.